gotta do here. All right. What's up? My name is Nate Smith in the Excel program, obviously. So, where am I from? I'm originally from Portland, Oregon, and then I moved over here when I was about 8. So, I've spent a little bit more than half my life in Florida. So, I consider myself a Floridian, mostly because I don't remember all of Portland. What's my major? I'm a computer science major, like everybody else. What am I thinking about majoring in? No. Why did I become an Excel member? Well, I didn't know about it, and then my mom was just kind of like, "Hey, there's this program called Excel and Lead Scholars. Your friend is in it. You should join it. You should go do it." I was like, "Okay, what does it do?" She's like, "It'll help you study, right? It's you get study groups and stuff like that, and it's for STEM majors." I was like, "All right, whatever." So I put in my application. I do my thing. We didn't do the essay. That was Lead Scholars, but you know, I just put in my application, got in. I was like, all right, cool. I didn't know anything about it until we went to the orientation. And I was like, all right, this can help me. This can help me. It's some extra work, some extra stuff, but I can see how this will help me, right? And now that I'm in it, I can see how the Excel Center is definitely nice, a nice place to go, and all my friends are there. So, how do I think it's gonna help me succeed in my first year of college? I don't know about those giant STEM seminars. Gonna be honest, right? Like that could be an email with like a nice motivational how to study link. But you know, I think the main thing is the Excel Center and having so many like-minded people all working for like STEM and who all want to help you out. One unique fact about me: I'm scuba certified. It's been a while since I actually scuba dove because all we do is reefs, and that got boring. Not gonna lie. Um, Include a picture of yourself in the presentation if you're not doing a video presentation. Alright,